In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can insert new rows and columns on Excel. So let's say you're typing something, you're doing some data entry, and then you forget a column, something like that. So let's say you need to enter something here like pricing, and then you forget to enter it. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. Let's say a column like this, and you forgot a name. I'm going to show you guys how you can give a space and then enter the name there. It needs to be added to your data entry you have on your Excel sheet. So now let me show you guys how to do this. It's simple and easy. So let's say now I need to enter something which I was talking about, which is like, okay, so I'm doing this table and I forgot to give the table some names. You get it, like department, name, subscription and blah, blah, blah. You get it. So I need to enter it here. So it's going to be a row, something like that here. So now I put my cursor on the one here. Good. And then I right click and I get the insert option. I tap on the insert and you can see I have a new fresh row there. So now I can start entering what I need to enter there, which is name. Good. And let's say here will be subscription. You get it. And let's say client class. Good. And then here should be amount. Well, this is currency. Good. So let's say I'm trying to enter a row, something like this. So let's say I forgot subscription class. Let's say tax amount, something like that. So I place the cursor here at the C2 as well. Right click, insert. Good. So now I can enter my tax amount here. So I enter my tax amount here. So this is going to be some sort of calculations. You get it. So I need to add a row. Let's say I'll add something here. And it's going to be some calculation. So it's going to be some sort of a formula. So this, and then I get my tax amount here. So that's it on how you insert a row and column on Excel if you forget something. And you are typing and then you need to insert a row or a column. That's how you do it on Excel. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and you can check out my Excel tutorials on my channel. I have a playlist on that. So that's it for the video. Peace.